How to buy Dickus or Dickus token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before you invest in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Found your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the description. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. This token is available on the screener. It created 6 hours ago, and the liquidity here are locked by 100%. That's made your investment in the safe place. This token trending number 1 on Solana section the screener. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. As you can see, this token address is under this manager. Now, open your funds wallet for that. Click on swap here. And make sure you have no Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here we'll be able to see how much you receive, and after that select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from your customer, because the most of the issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy Dickus token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.